We human beings are always restless. We are confused and we are agitated all the time. Our forehead is always wrinkled because our mind is always occupied. We all have been through the uncanny state of mind in which we don't know what we are looking for, yet we keep on looking. We keep on looking for something because without that something, we feel our life is incomplete. The thought of hollowness lingers incessantly. The thought of incompleteness gives us anxiety as though our life were a jigsaw puzzle and one piece of it had been missing. Perhaps we have solved the puzzle, but one missing piece makes it incomplete. That missing piece is something in our life. We don't know where that something is. However, we take a perilous journey to find it. We certainly don't know what that something is. Thus, it makes us feel we are looking for something we are devoid of. They say that the grass is always greener on the other side. No matter how much green grass on this side is, we always want to be on the other side. Our curiosity and will to explore and experience something we haven't experienced before make us a rolling stone. We are constantly moving because everybody else is moving. We don't know where we are heading to, yet we keep on moving because the fear of being left behind keeps us awake at nights. Perhaps sometime in the future we find a place to stay. Perhaps we find home in chaos, or perhaps we find home in cosmos. If you ever want to experience the feeling of incompleteness, then imagine yourself as a child having a toy without limbs. Imagine taking a bath without froth. Imagine having a pen without a cap. And imagine living without the sun in the sky for a week, unless you live at either poles. Of course, we are alright without them, but the frustration because of not having them keeps on nagging us, carrying the vexation inside the bags beneath our eyes. We get lost while looking for that something, but the inability to find that something makes us shuttle between silence and noise. Silence and noise. These two words are suitable for defining human beings. They represent the duality of nature, and the same duality exists in human behavior as well. Perhaps noise is desires and silence is contentment. Therefore, sometimes we look for silence and other times we look for noise. For instance, a drunkard and a monk, they both have so much in common, and both are looking for a state where they might stay forever, the state which is untouched, unexplored, and unattained. One is seeking euphoria, and another is seeking bliss. They have to escape reality from time to time to attain the desired states. Once the desired states are achieved, they look for something else. They spend their life being stuck in a loop as an audio cassette is replaying the same tracks unceasingly. Like the drunkard and the monk, we often live our life chasing meaningless desires. We create infinite layers of imagination inside our head to escape reality. We always want to be at some place else. Sadly, we are enslaved by our own desires. These never ending desires drive our mind to places we might not want to go. Thus, sometimes we seek noise. Desires have corrupted our mind, and we have done immoral things. We fear our sins, thus, we seek silence. I know sometimes you seek silence, and other times you seek noise. You are a particle which is constantly vibrating in this vast cosmos, disturbing another particle and getting disturbed by other particles. You are looking for what you are devoid of, and you want to be that person that you may not ever become. Similarly, sometimes I seek silence, and other times I seek noise. Sometimes you seek silence, and other times you seek noise. You can't stay at one place. You just can't.